Class 12 Physics, Chapter Nuclei, Nuclear Physics Unit. 1. Introduction. Matter is made of atoms. Nucleus lies at the center. Discovered by Rutherford's A-scattering experiment. 2. Atomic and nuclear structure. Atomic number, Z. Number of protons. Mass number, A. Number of protons plus neutrons. Isotopes. Same Z, different A. Isobars, same A, different Z. Isotones, same number of neutrons. 3. Size and mass of the nucleus. Nuclear radius. Nuclear density is approximately constant for all nuclei. 4. Nuclear force. Short range, 1-2 FM. Strong attractive force. Acts equally between ppNn and Pn pairs. Charge independent. Much stronger than electrostatic forces. Saturation property. Each nucleon interacts with only nearby nucleons. Mass energy equivalence. Einstein's relation, binding energy, BE. Nuclear reactions types. A. Decay, emission of A particle, E. Nucleus. V. Decay, neutron, proton plus electron plus antineutrino. I. Decay, emission of high energy photon. Nuclear equation. Example. 7. Radioactivity law of radioactive decay. 8. Radioactive series. Natural series like uranium, thorium, and actinium series. Ends at stable isotopes of lead, Pb. 9. Nuclear fission. Heavy nucleus splits into 2 lighter nuclei plus energy. 10. Nuclear fusion. 2 light nuclei combine to form a heavier one. 11. Particle accelerators. Extension concept. Used to accelerate charged particles for nuclear reactions. Types: linear accelerator, LANIC. Cyclotron. Uses electric and magnetic fields cyclically. 12. Optical model. Advanced concept. Treats the nucleus as a potential well. Helps explain scattering and reaction cross-sections. 13. Applications of nuclear physics. Nuclear reactors. Controlled fission. Medical uses: cancer treatment, radioisotopes. Carbon dating, C14. Nuclear power generation. Important formulas. Concept formula. Mass defect, binding energy, decay law. Half-life, activity, fusion, reaction study. Tips: memorize nuclear symbols and decay equations. Practice numericals on binding energy and decay. Understand fission versus fusion differences. Use a decay graph to visualize half-life. Learn SI units carefully. Joule, EV, MeV.